the hell you stopping for, boy? Run that shit.
Just in case.
That's what I meant, yeah. What the fuck?
Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah, they gotta shoot.
Fuck it, dude! What the hell? Yeah, this guy just passed this dude. Maybe one day we'll get out of this neighborhood. We shouldn't gaps out here! Oh! Fuck it, dude. Too slow for my taste.
Holy shit, guys.
Make this light, David, make this light!
Holy shit, he's shooting the left. It looked like Jeff was after you. like a fucking Mustang just came out of nowhere and came after you. That shit was dope. That was a screwdriver.
Now I'm looking back and I see that shit stuck in your wheel. Make this light, boys.
Are we clear?
Yep, all good, all good.
Yeah, David, go.
What the fuck was that?
Okay. Yeah, David, go. I don't know.
That shit was loud. Fuck, I'm going full speed over this bitch. Full speed ahead. Hey.
Hey.
Fucking kid started front towards the street. I was going to jail in my eyes. Whoa. Alright, David, get to the front.
I'm trying.
Get your ass to that front.
I got you guys rolling. Alright, stop it. Yeah.
I'm coming too.
It looked like Jeff was after you.
Dope as fuck.